Hello and welcome to episode 2. We found some new slimes, found a new area, possibly some new and cool slimes. Make sure to check it out. Also, we found some pretty weird stuff. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, we're back and it's day 3. I found the floor. It's my oxide. And today, we're gonna go check out a new area. I believe I saw a video. It's like the indigo quarry or whatever, and this. So I was thinking of getting this jetpack right here. So it lets you like fly around like that. So that would be pretty cool. And we need to make some more money. So first, I saw this thing. We're gonna see. Help me out here, and I'll make sure you get what's owed. So 5, we have the chicken basically, and we need torch, so you just need to feed some slimes. I really do have this. Not the right thing. We need to get more torch. Okay, we got enough. Now we just need a hen. Oh, come on. No. Please. Okay, now we have all the ingredients. Or whatever we need to put. Come back to our ranch. And it does give you a little bit of money. That's cool. So we'll get 700. Oh my, that's a lot. And those guys, I saw they're right there. And then these, which we have, I think, right there. So, I think that's what we do. And then, oh yeah! And we get everything. Now, wait, there's another cauldron. I don't know what fosters, like, I think these are foster, because they look like that. They come out at night. I don't think it's worth, but maybe. And then I need a storage place, so let's get some money. Let's go sell all these besides the flush. Okay, we got $1,000. There's like a storage unit that you can get. So I want this to be another place. So how about we go over here? Silo. And I can put these in here. And then we gotta wait till the night. Oh, what the heck? Oh my, what the heck? Oh my. Oh, those are very good guys. Are you dead? I guess we could just go get the tabby ones, the tabby guys, and then the pink slimes. Kind of pink guys. Right. Oh, now I need is 4. Okay. So now we have all those. Now we just need the 5 foster ones. I want a corral for the foster ones, so I'm like, if they know, keep that one. I know there are different, like, oh, we're gonna come back for this. Tomorrow we're coming back for that. So, you eat it. Or you eat it. Is it evil? Oh, it is. Tarr. Okay, so maybe we shouldn't do that. Oh, I found it. I want a little bit more then.